This is Euclid Book 5, definitions 16 through 18. That's right, folks. We're going to finish up the definitions in one shot. I have had just about enough of them, and we're going to get to the propositions in the very next video. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with conversion of a ratio. This is conversion of a ratio here. We started with an original ratio of 3 halves. 3 was the antecedent, 2 was the consequent. We then added the consequent to the antecedent, and we get 5 halves here. But what if we wanted to convert that ratio? Well, we can. We just change the consequent to the antecedent. So now we have 3 plus 2 over 3 instead of 3 plus 2 over 2. So it goes from 5 halves to 5 thirds. That's how you convert a ratio. I don't really know why Euclid did it this way. I'm sure in the propositions themselves we'll be able to see that, but that's for another lesson for another time, so just bear with me, folks. Now this is called x equality, and I may be mispronouncing that, so don't quote me on this. X equality. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to find something pretty interesting. We have, first of all, a ratio of 2 over 1 equals 4 over 2. Well, obviously this is true because if you divide 4 and 2 by 2, you get 2 over 1. Okay? And then we have a second ratio here of 1 over 3 equaling 2 over 6. Well, obviously you divide 2 and 6 by 2, you'll get 1/3. So what do? Well, we take the 2 over here, place it over here. Okay, we're going to take the 2 over here, place it over here, and then we're going to take the 3, see this 3 right here? We're going to take it and place it right here. Okay, so this is a new antecedent, this is a new consequent. Alright, now, the D here, let's see. We're going to take this 4 right here. See this 4 right here? We're going to move it way over here. And then we're going to take this 6 right here. See this 6 right here? We're going to move it over here. Well, believe it or not, 2/3 actually equals 4/6 because if you divide that 4 by 2 and that 6 by 2, you get 2/3. Amazing, isn't it? But then we're going to go on to the perturbed proportion. What is that? Well, we're going to start off with 2 proportions here. We've got 2 over 1 equaling 4 over 2. Well, obviously, if you divide 4 and 2 by 2, you get 2 over 1 again. And then we have another proportion here, which is 1 over 2 equaling 2 over 4. Well, you divide this 2 by 2 and this 4 by 2, you're going to get 1/2 as well. So where did all these numbers come from? Alright. We're going to take the 2 right here, we're going to place it over here. Okay? Then we're going to take the 2 right here. See this 2 right here? We're going to take it and we're going to put it over here. So that makes the first part of this proportion. Now, we have to find this 2 right here. See this 2 right here? See this one right here? We're going to place it over here. And then we're going to take this final 2 right here and we're going to place it over here. Well, if you divide both of these by 2, you're going to get 1 over 1, or just simply 1. You divide both of these by 2, you're going to get 1 over 1, or just simply 1. So 1 will equal 1, or 2 halves equals 2 halves. And that's the definitions. In my next video, I'm going to start the first proposition of Euclid Book 5. So I want you to stay tuned.